So these are called Aerie knobs. They are precision thumb grips for elevated drone control. They come in this plastic container and it is easy to install. Just remove the top half of the original standard sticks, screw on the thumb grips and use the bottom half of the original sticks to tighten the thumb grips. Easy. It has these walls to cradle your thumb, raised centered notches, a pull back hole for your thumb, and M3 threaded holes. They are compatible with DJI controllers, the Taranis QX7, the X9D, and the X9D Lite, which I have here. Jumper remotes minus the T8SG, the original remote, which doesn't have the bottom piece of the standard sticks. But if you can swap it with another controller, you are still able to use the original T8SG remote and all of the other controllers with 3mm screw shafts, but not the QX7S, which has a 4mm screw shaft. My first impression was a little negative. It felt weird. I didn't like how it felt. After all, it took me a very long time to get just the right formula for thumbing, pinching, and hybrid pinching, and I didn't want to go back to just thumbing. So I began to pinch the walls of the grips, and it all started to feel much better. I did start off with the standard sticks, and I was comfortable. Back then, I was a thumber, till a friend of mine kept telling me to try pinching because it will give you more control, he said. So I started training a few flights a day, pinching, until pinching started to feel more natural. But I was still flying better thumbing. And then something weird happened. I was in trouble. I couldn't go back to thumbing. Pinching became more comfortable than thumbing. So I left my comfort zone of thumbing. And then I received the QX7S that came with thumbsticks instead of standard sticks. I started liking them because I could now fly longer without my thumbs hurting from pressing the sticks down too hard. And because it had a lip instead of the stick to pinch, there was more real estate to hold on to, and it started feeling even better. And this is when hybrid pinching started for me, because it was awkward to pinch these huge thumbsticks and it was easier to assist with the index finger. Now, this all went very well until my QX7S started to give me problems. But these thumbsticks on the QX7S does not fit on other transmitters. So I got these thumbsticks to use on the X9D Plus for a while, but it was not the same since it contours inward and not outward like the QX7S. So soon after that, I received the X9D Lite, which I have here, and I got used to the compact size and have been using it so far. And now I'm back to using the regular standard sticks. That is before I install these thumb grips. So I got a QX7 also because it also comes with standard sticks. And the way I hybrid pinch is to assist my thumb with the index finger for better control than just the thumb alone. But when I need more stability, I just slide my index finger down the stick for better control in tight situations. So when I was asked to try out these precision thumb grips called Aerie knobs, I had to try them out. So the guys at Aerie Designs told me to take my time with them since there is a learning curve, but I got used to them pretty quick. Now here's my very first flight using these Aerie knobs. Not bad. A little off there. Woohoo! All right. Not bad at all. So I've been using these Aerie knobs on my X9D Lite a couple of packs a day for about a week, and I'm liking them a lot now, but I have not yet deserted the original sticks completely, and I don't know if I will. Now, I'm not sure if it is because I have already set my ways with the standard sticks and I'm afraid of not being able to go back to the way it was, or I just don't want things to change from my comfort zone. And because I'm not drastically changing from the way I hold the sticks, and instead of hybrid assist pinching, I now am actually pinching the walls of the thumb grips, which is giving me more control. So I'm going to continue using these here and there, and I'll see where it takes me. Maybe one day it will feel better than the standard sticks. And if it feels better than the standard sticks, and if it makes you fly better than before, then it would have been totally worth trying them out. So if you are a thumber, don't be afraid of trying out the pinching style. Like all things, there is a learning curve. And if you are a pincher, a hybrid pincher, or even a thumber, don't be afraid of trying out something new, like these thumb grips. You just never know till you try them. So if you want to try these out for yourself, the link to purchase is in the description down below. They are called Aerie knobs, and you can get them from Amazon, Get FPV, or on their website as well. So that is it for now for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be safe, everybody, and we'll see you again next time.